Hello, in this video I will show you how you can move contacts from SIM to internal storage on POCO F7. So first of all, you have to open Contacts application, and from here find the Manage SIM, import or delete contacts from SIM. Open it, and from here you can select Save To, and you can do it for the Google Contacts, but select device over here, save to device, and now you can select numbers that you want to import to your internal storage. So now when it's done, when it's selected, click import in the top right corner, and here is the information: remove copies from SIM. To clean up your SIM, remove copies of imported contacts that aren't important won't be affected. So let's take keep over here, and now 10 SIM contacts are imported. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.